Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn int function, string function and some calculations in addition to our input and print function which we have learned in our earlier classes. Now we will start with asking the user for his name. So name, we will create a variable called name, and to ask the user we will have to use the input function, and then we will enter the message, what is your name. So the user will enter the name. Now we will also ask for his age. Input, what is your age? So we asked for his age. Now the program is to calculate when the person will be 100 years old. So we have his age and we have his name. Now let us calculate when he will be 100 years old. So for that we will create one more variable called year. Year is equal to, so his today is this year is 2020. So 2020 minus his age will be his year of birth. But the problem here is you cannot directly subtract here. The value entered here will be taken as string. So you will have to parse the age into integer. So let's parse it here. So we got his birth year. Now let us add 100 years to it. Plus 100. So now this line of code will give when the name of the person, when the person is going to get 100 years old. Now let us print in a statement, print name will be 100 years old in the year of plus year. So let me explain this line of code. This print function will accept either a variable or a string. So here we have entered a variable and we created an operator here to concatenate the value of this variable and the string, and again we used one more concatenation variable to set a value to year. Now let us run this whole program, save and run. Click on run here. So it is asking me for the name. My name is Sai. Okay, my age is, let us assume, 29. So okay, look at the problem here. The year is integer, so we will have to convert it to string. So let us convert it to string. We can use concatenation only against two strings but not with the numbers. So let us convert it to string. str stands for string. Okay, now we have rectified the code. Run. Again we will have to enter the values. 29. Sai will be 100 years old in the year of 2091. To make this formatting correct, let us add some space before and after the string and save, run again. Sai 29. Sai will be 100-year-old in the year of 2091. So thank you for watching.